sir nanti tolong kami. Kapag mobile, I will tip rin baka mobile pangingi doon hindi ka siyang hao, kumnukran. Mobile can be used. Eh, kan mau pilih ini ada. Em nắm đây có sốc cả. Đi được. Quạt đặt đi đây bạn. Phone. Balik phone. Nyimdan phone number juga. Call him. No problem. Control your own force. I will control mine. I mean control. Jangan berontak gitu. Contoh. Bila ada depan tu, ngin bos lah. Itu halat. Sentral. Atau lah sentral. Tu asyik wanung punya penuh diurah. They can do whatever they want. If you want to arrest me, you can arrest. If you feel that I have violated, saya kita pilih. Balik kembali kamu genuine. Balik kamu cukup. Bung tek bung mukul bung nomor try bung dapat non kampus ni masuk. We want to send him a very clear message to mukul sama.
Next time even better than this.
This is just a small town that we are dealing with. They can use force. Okay, it's your choice. It's your choice. It's your choice. Nirungi kena nak lama kon. Then when you attack a leader, obviously you should expect what will. Take off your mask if you feel that you're doing what is right.
Why
do you mask?
We're not Muslims.
Please, they have nothing. They are just doing their duty.
You are dealing with law abiding. Nyamdai ki bapin mask.
It's a democratic country. We can protest.
Ya Narendra Modi le ya no diktator. Bau expel bagi penrumarang ni apa? They yok nong lang dari mi ikhmat de ai ke mi kiwe. It's very sad kan. Bano begitu ke bisa akta ru. Naying ki Christian kin pet de TV ni yang tak kasong aki. Ban ngai ban next time lo ring ki. Khade ke kamram juki bakin koi bani sebentar kan.
Kanong utara gi ba mansa.
Ai ngapat yo jengken. Nang yo chen yo sibet. Hala sa bom to mangampat nusa.
Melakukan sebentar. Ya.
Kuma PE dai ba dan bo PE lam khmat nei manu pas dang ni kan ni ka jing sedang yo.
Ki police. Pai ba on dan ter ni manu bom manu.
Bom tam long bai dai bu pai ba bu pulit kan. Sedang
Pulit kan? Ni ting isu penperai ke barricade. We have every right because you want to march there.
tambah ktien mo.
Dah ktien ni. Manu bo use force.
Kawan turut ada kan kalimat dia. Kega decision.
Forward march. Nyen song bang ni will remain in this street.
Kadba kani keji.
Te ngamong ba kajay hakum kani kapor nga so kani kajing job. Namar kum ginangalam. Ni sekren badan kami kian bagindan agari kaji. Nagalong nagam ta umba mamdi. Nagam ta kamarang nagalong nagam ta kajing tay kiyeng kisam kaji. Badan kami kian. Ndai kai kalawan sindet kalong bangimla ban pedeng. Ti yaman ta nilai hun kum ginangalam ban ngi thir bin hun. Dei nam dei na. Kum ginangalam nila pedeng ban ngi to mafiru bin pedeng. Namar kampat kut menta kasni. Daga jingkom dan chief minister nila lawan shimsha yiki ligirai. Siap kan puli yakni kadai ktien nongwei ning thareng pen dengan sabatai ru aga ktien kejungi. Kini kedai karai. Yang kecinglang balai lam dari Ardent dan Bersaimat MLA tolong mentakasi hata jaga terikam in the office chamber of the Honorable Home Minister in the presence of Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, Additional Chief Secretary in charge Home, Additional Secretary Chief Secretary in charge Urban Affairs, Shri L. Kaknor MDC Nong Thamai, and others. The meeting was chaired by Srimati R. Wadri, Honorable Minister in charge Home Police. Extra welcome all the members present. She requested Shri Ardent and Bersaimat MLA to apprise the meeting about the issues related to the implementation of the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2011. The following were the issues raised by Shri A. M. Bersaimat MLA. Number 1, to withdraw the notification for some more time before making it applicable to Shillong Master Plan areas for the following reasons. Number 1, more time is required for publicity. 2, low-income group economically weaker sections are facing difficulties in obtaining electricity water connection through line department. Number 2, registered land documents are not available with most of land owners outside the municipal areas. 3, after thorough discussion, the following decisions were taken. Mudilhaban Shimi Garai Marabu Chief Minister Omden, Yasi Kalong Tanga Jinklu Singapore. Tendre Kampatut Kajiki Lava Sorkar Kalekai. Tendre Karai Mangala Angasro, Nagalenga Jingi, Kumba Prapo Shispa, Nesing in a Hun, Walading Mun Shispa, Nagashispa. Kabankong, Kalong Balarai, Banpulong, awareness program will be conducted by the Urban Affairs Department in Shillong Master Plan areas outside the municipal jurisdiction. Kandan ka jing pensyai jing pesutu patba Nagalang ka Urban Affairs Department ay beri begini kijaka ki bahap ka Shillong Master Plan ay beri bat shabar jing municipal area. Number 2, registered documents are not insisted upon while submitting the proposal for building permission if not available, especially outside the Shillong municipal areas. Kani ni beri ka wei jinge ka ba yong ba hapan ay de registered mo nangung ini aga registered igani lawai ban nang ni smam dan kam shu ka registered document. For construction of building in an area of 75 square meter and below building fee is exempted. I would able to square meter, government the building fee no building permission is required for construction of thatch houses. But the permission site plan for construction of building less than 50 square meter area will be prepared by Muda free of cost. Special teams will be set up to expedite issue of occupancy certificate for the completed buildings. Modigini berada bro menta kandang ka special team. Kapan kena malaman ano ya kata certificate kodon kam. 7. The department will take up the matter with PHE and MECL regarding issue of water supply and electricity connection to low-income group building. Ikitu berada bersama kiyeng barai ba apa arsa kunta Nagalang juki kin khot ke MECL ba PHE ba kinde ban penuit lani bandang bojinge. Kabakatu karai along the department will further examine the proposal and put up the matter before the Chief Minister at the ELS. Tigradon lu kejekran mentan bau Chief Minister, bawan lawan pai hati CRC, kansedon dan kejekran bat bangin nang wanra ikirai di bakhamba. Dengan semua yang mentah ini mabu Chief Minister dan keiga jimenjur jungi ngatai pediang. Lain. Kadai kita nyepat kita simpan mentah kasih. Bagian semua tu ban simkia, lara dan gambar ni biang saisin, deben milut porok kat kita kisnong di bisaksa. Lara dan deben milut. Nyimbai ban nyimbai ban penlien ban yo pamai presto meno pamai meno yamsa ni belum tak jadi benih lang wa mga benda ro sapit nda kasi mele ya sapit to kipai ba di Indonesia sistem lang kita no ar kita daw kani rai ke pengilisim bat nyen up sisi arsi ya kai ka respond naglang ju Chief Minister bagandon nama orang bangida pa bani kundu uang naglang juga ngala persang banne ka bala ande imi no ki tengok bagi hukum ini kan dengan jasu. Lada pi buram ini, lada ini buram ini biru buram ini. Waktu ini kena surat. Barang ba soal kita konsumer resip. Mari ini lo lagi tu pat ba. Te lisno ban aingu ibu ibu agi ni kemarin. Kata like nak jing penuit bahkan ni ki pat ba ngelaban poi. Te mana ngelaban poi ya ki minister ke berangkai balak pemanggilan bang. Andai kum kena ngelam ke berangkai jing klik ngela sangat no hang ni. Tengi kuat bapin pensau syaka sorkar bang kamtam shu Chief Minister pasnova ban buram lem ya ka jingi pat khasi kibaran hakri long khasi ke jingi te nirma la chu ban shu sha leben nirma la chu nang ni shikmat tenga sno ba ka engkran ekran kini jingi ki baki pat ba ki kando te laweng menta ka smi bat nang pendek nang ni sekmat. Tengah try kalau kepada yang ngiru kum jinong alam, bagaimana padu ban om susah ban susah yang kat pemon mah. Akan mi ke yang kat itran de kedai bendolong. Kisnong kita jing nang ni semat. Tin penat nomor nyalam hikai pi nang ni semat. Kum lu pinsna iki yang kesem. Mendai su ban sulia turmur kata kuah kat tolong. Mangalawat kidan ki marjan junga. Kibesna yang tangai pilihat lai mala tamani aiwan. Kata kamnong papa. Kalau ada pilihan ni ke jipumna kum kata jong ka jingping. Nyera iki kiti jingping. Paro.